Welcome to Apps4Org. This video demonstrates the process of transferring the registered attendee. Edit the attendee registration from which attendee need to transfer. Select Transfer option from the drop-down. In the pop-up, enter the details of new attendee. First name, last name, and email. After entering the details of a new attendee, and click Save. After transferring the attendee, send the login instruction through email. To do so, click the three dots on the attendee screen and click Email in the drop-down. In Email page, select Email Template. Select Attendee Login Instruction with receipt and check the Enter Email column. Send the mail using Send button at the bottom. Thank you for watching the video.